So, hello guys, here I am your teacher, your anchor, and I'm making a content creation just because of you and just because of myself, so I can make monetize my channel and I can grow on YouTube. As you can see, there are a lot of content creation each and every day are growing, so that's why I am putting myself to in this journey. So I hope you all gonna like, just like, share and subscribe my channel. And here you can see that I am making you a very good English speaker. As you can see, my English speaking is so consistent and so fluently, and so this is what I want, that everyone have to speak very good English speaking. So, and at least give just 20 or 30 minutes each and every day, just watch my each and every day video so I made for you. If you seen my dozen of content I made for you, then you can easily see that all I just want to that you want a I just want you that you are become a very good English speaker. So here are some sentence and I will try to on the spot that how can we make sentence. Okay, so it's very important that we are making sentence in our mind, then we are speaking. So this is how you're gonna speak English. So it's I'll become a very easy way. And as you can see that I'm not translating in Hindi, it's up to you that you gonna translate in Hindi. Okay, so excited, he excite me, I excite you, he excite all the human beings, he excited so much. If you take in a verb first form, second form, he exciting others, he exciting her. Okay, this is how gonna we make sentence. Look, just watch my tongue and watch my behavior, so you can easily pick your consistency. Okay, in insight, he incite him, he incite him, he incite, he incite crowd, he incite specters. Okay, float, he float the borderline, he crossed the borderline, he float this rule, he float this law, he have to pay, he have to charge. Flaunt, he showing some stuff. Why he is a show off? Flaunt is like a show off. You are show off your watch, your ultra luxury items. Here you can see flaunt. Hoard, he hiding something, he hidden something. I think he hidden 10 or 20 kgs gold. I think he hide something 1 lakh or 10 lakh rupees. Loath, loath is like dislike. Dislike is the simple word you can understand. So he dislike me, he loath me. If you look, there are look in English, it's like a Hindi. In Hindi, if you read Paryavachi Shabd, so this is how English sentence work. So there are many type of word which have similar meaning. So is this how you can understand that loath is like dislike? So you always just choose pick simple word, so you can make a word very and you can make a sentence in a very simple way. Okay, so here is both are there similar. Loath, lose, he losing, he losing him. I think he lose, he lost. Lose, this is very losing, this rope is very losing, this this pant, this jeans is, it's very unfitting, it's very losing. Pour, he pour He poured some chapatis. He poured some vegetables. Pour. Proceed. I think he proceed this process. I think he proceed this whole gathering. I think he will proceed this organization, this program. The proceed. Pray. He pray to God. He pray to church. He pray to masjid. All types of religion, what they are symbol of God. Pray. Okay. Root. This is his root. This is the route you want to walk out. This is the route. So here you can understand the word meaning of root. So here you can see that all the word, and here you can see that I made on the spot making sentence. So all I just want to that now you become to try to make each and every sentence. Okay, this is how you're gonna speak English. It's not working that every day you are just watching and listening 20-30 hours videos and then you can think that you're gonna proper English speaker. No, it won't rely that. Now you have to practice at least 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, so again I'm repeating you, and then all I just want that you try to become this English in your way. So excite, insight, float, flaunt, hold, loath, lose, over, proceed, pray, root. Again I am making a sentence, each and every sentence. He excite others. He incite people. He incite crowd. Flaunt. He flaunt the rule. He flaunt the watch. He hoard 10 or 20 lakh rupees. Loath. He loath himself. He lose everything. He losing. He poor. He poor some vegetables. He proceed the process. He pray to his God and he give to root. Okay, so here you can understand that I will teach you in a very simple way. So I hope you just watch my content, and I hope you are liking it, and so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So I'll make another content for you. Thank you very much.